Hi, my name is Jorg Schafraat. I'm the CEO of Cobase. Let me give you a short introduction on our company and the solution we offer, and then move straight to a demo. After thorough market research in 2016 and 2017, we decided to incorporate Cobase with the objective to offer a super powerful solution to corporate treasurers, cash managers, and people with similar job functions. We saw open banking and what is now called embedded banking services coming up, and we thought that it would be a great opportunity to anticipate on. Now, interviews with these treasurers learned us that banking for them can become quite complex when they have many different banks. They face a lot of inefficiency and they have to use several portals and ERP connections to get their daily operations to work. So what we wanted to do is give them a solution that will help them with that on a daily basis. And we did so. So what Cobase offers is a platform with a lot of bank connectivity, a central payment hub, and features for cash management and treasury modules. Users can be managed centrally, and everything will become very, very simple for them to use. Now, here at Finovate, you as a banker may be interested in how that could be relevant to you and how that could help you and your bank to also benefit from this. Well, let me explain the opportunity. Our Cobase platform is also available in a white labeled version, so you can use that to offer it to your customers under your own brand. Let them benefit from them, create bottom line revenue for your own bank, and that makes it a win-win situation. Now, let me show you how it works. I will now log on to the platform and imagine you are the treasurer and you are using this. The first page that the end user will see is a dashboard. And here they can find all their positions that they have at all their respective banks, aggregated, of course. And they can also have a view on that from the perspective of the subsidiaries that they are responsible for, or view it from an account perspective or from a country perspective or per bank. They can manage their cash accounts, that means the current accounts, but also their FX and their liquidity forecasting. Many different features are all combined in this single solution. Now, let me give you a bit more detailed view on that. Imagine you're the treasurer. Here you can see all your banks. You can open the bank and drill down to the different types of accounts, the currencies that you have there, and get a total overview of all the account positions and what that means in aggregate for the company. Drill down with a different angle, starting from a subsidiary point of view, and see what the balances are that you have with these different banks in the different currencies, and so on and so on. This demo, of course, is a bit too short to show you everything, but I think you will get the point here. We also have modules for payment initiation, where you can initiate payment credit transfers, select the account. And the difference with using a regular banking portal is that now you can select from many different bank accounts, anywhere you have them. All your different banks will be set up here and the accounts are accessible. You can, of course, get all your beneficiaries set up in this address book and use, if you want, as a treasurer, the in-house banking module, where you can set up a structure, intercompany structures, and have your balances maintained between the different subsidiaries of your group. We have a liquidity forecasting module where you can forecast cash flows. I will show you how that looks. So for all of your subsidiaries, you can see per month, but also use different timings like a day or week. And you can predict or let the system predict what the cash flows will be or what the account balances will be. We also have a module that will help you to manage your FX if you're a treasurer. So you can set your corporate hedging policy in the system. that works like this. I will only show it to you in a very brief way, but you can set up all the rules that you want to get applied in your company and how you want to manage your own risk originating from the accounts payable and receivables that you have to process on a daily basis. And the system will help you to calculate the exposure that you have. And that looks like this. System can show you exactly what needs to be hedged to stay compliant with your own policies. That's very powerful. We also have a robo-assistant that can help you. But what I also wanted to show you here is the system administration that can help with the, let's say, not the core functions, but also, but on the supportive side, the things that you also need to cover, which is setting up all your users at all these different banking portals. That can become very laborious, but over here you can set the roles and the rights that all your users have all in one place for all your banks at the same time, including also administering the ERP connections that you may have to set up. So Cobase is really the hub between your organization and all your banks, your end users and all your banks, and your ERP systems and all your banks. Now, as I said, you as a banker can also use this technology and offer it to your end customers under the brand of your own bank, generate new revenues, get your customers happy, stay very relevant for them because you will be the primary bank that they will use to get access to the accounts that they have with your banks, but also at the other banks that they use. Now, if you want to know more about this, please do contact me at finovate@cobase.com, and we can have a more detailed discussion to see what the opportunities could be for your organization. Thanks a lot and hope to talk to you soon.